fucking know. Okay. I'll wash it in water anyway. Let's see here, Bobby. Motherfuckers back up so they don't fall. That old sock in my pocket so you don't get lost. Huh. This is how this is done. Go to your truck. Find the biggest extension there is. Might help put their ratchet the wrong way, right way. They're taking the starter off, but I'm pretty sure that's the problem with this Ingersol air compressor. One 2-bolt starter. Set this in my other pocket so I don't lose that. Because I just want to walk and get my damn trays out the truck. Magnetic trays, just 2 bolts. I don't know. Gears ain't tore up. Well, yeah. Fucking metal all in there. We'll have to. Yeah, that's how you take off a Ingersol air compressor starter. I'm gonna test it. I'm pretty sure it's bad. Then I'm just gonna go buy a new one, install it. When I install it, I'll post another video.